Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create your Snapchat account on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite easy process, so all you have to do is first of all make sure that Snapchat is installed on your phone, and then you can simply now open the application. After doing that, here you have to tap on the sign up option right here. So if you want to connect your Snapchat with your Google, you can tap on continue with Google, or if you want to connect it with your Apple ID, you can tap on continue with Apple. But for now, I'm going to create my account manually. So tap on sign up, and then in here, you'll have to enter your first name and your last name. So after entering your name, tap on agree and continue. After doing that, here you'll have to enter your birthday. Then tap on continue. Then in here, you can see Snapchat has given your username. You can also change your username if you simply tap on this option, change my username. Here you can also change it to however you want. But for now, I'm going to continue with whatever Snapchat is giving me. So tap on continue. And then here you'll have to create yourself a strong password for your Snapchat account. After creating yourself a strong password, tap on continue. Now in here, you'll have to write down your email address. But if you want to use your phone number, you can also tap on use phone number instead. For now, I'm going to write down my email address. So after entering your email address, tap on finish. Now in here, there will be the option of adding down your phone number. If you want it, you can do that, or you can simply tap on the skip option on the top right, just like this, and skip this option. Now in here, if you want to create your Bitmoji right now, you can tap on continue and start creating your Bitmoji for your Snapchat, or else you can simply tap on skip right here and simply skip that part. And just like this, we have now successfully created ourselves Snapchat account. So if you simply tap on your profile icon right here, you can see your username and your profile details right here. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.